Thank you for choosing to recruit at the 2022 Women of Color STEM DTX Conference. In today's tutorial, we are going to review the functionality available for recruiters. Start by navigating to our Women of Color World 2 website. Log in using your email address and the password that you have set up. If you are also registered for the conference as an attendee, you will use your badge ID number as the password instead of the password you set up. Upon logging in, you will enter the Women of Color World 2 lobby. From there, you can find your booth by using the search functionality at the top of the menu bar. As an example, we will look at the Job Match booth. Type in the booth name and click on the appropriate booth from the list below. What you will see is the booth you curated with all the graphics and information that you added. If you are the main point of contact for the booth, please ensure that the graphics and links you may have added are accurate prior to October 3rd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. At that time, the booth setup forum will be closed. Booth staff do not have permissions to edit the booth. On the bottom half of the screen, you will see a series of tabs with different booth information. This will include your booth's description, any videos and documents that were uploaded, and any job vacancies added. Next to this section, you will see the users who are in your booth. In the bar under the booth, you will see the links that you added in the booth setup. To interact with the candidates, click on the chat link in the white links bar. This will open the chat widget on the left side of the screen. Now that you are in your booth's chat room, you can type your message in the text box and click on the send button to post. Please note that all candidates and recruiters can post to your booth's chat room and that these are public messages. The booth chat room is only text-based chat. It does not allow for video or voice chat. To see who is in your chat room at any given time, click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the chat and then click on Chat Room Users. This will show you all users who are presently in your chat room. It will divide the users between recruiters and attendees. It is recommended that at least one of your representatives monitors who is in the chat room and directs other representatives to speak individually with the candidates. In addition, you can see all users that are presently online by clicking on the People tab in the chat functionality. Scroll through the list to find the candidate you would like to speak with or search for them using the search bar. Once you have found the candidate you want to message, click on their name. On this pop-up, you will be able to see their profile, including their resume. You will be able to view and download this resume. On the right side of the pop-up, there will be a Chat Now button. Click that button to open a one-on-one text-based direct message with the candidate. Candidates and recruiters too have the ability to be in multiple chat rooms and direct chats simultaneously. Please note that you can enable notifications for these direct and chat room messages by clicking on the bell icon. When conducting a direct message, it is recommended to begin with a text chat with the candidate first to ensure that they are available. Once you have determined a time to speak over the voice or video chat, then you can click on the respective button to begin the chat. You can only have one video or voice chat open at once. When conducting your voice or video chat, please ensure that your browser settings are set to allow microphone and camera access. The site will prompt you to check. Conduct your discussion as you normally would through any other voice or video conferencing software. When the conversation has been completed, click on the button to hang up the call. You will be returned to the previous page and the chats that you had open. Candidates can log onto the platform beginning on Thursday, October 6th at 7 a.m. Eastern. They are being encouraged to browse the booths for the best fitting opportunities for them on Thursday and Friday and come back to the career fair on Saturday to meet with representatives. Our career fair is Saturday, October 8th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern each day. Women of Color World 2 will remain open for 3 months post-conference. If you have any questions throughout the duration of the conference or have technical difficulties, you can click on this help icon in the bottom left corner. This opens a chat box on the right where you can enter your name, email address, and then send us a message. This will start a chat notification with our support team directly. Until then, if you have any questions, email us at exhibitors@ccgmag.com. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you at the career fair.